It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Check it out. I went Walmart shopping today. I saw the Girl Scout cookie hard candy collection. I kind of just walked around a little bit. I bought some tank tops. And as I was walking out, I saw this kiosk and I'm like, what is that? I see soap. And check it out. It's called Jukebox. I don't know how long this has been around. It looks new. Um, but it's a Dr. Squatch brand. You guys know I've always loved Dr. Squatch. And it's marketed as Dr. Squatch for women because, as you know, Dr. Squatch is a little bit masculine, but I like all of their stuff. I feel like this stuff could be for men too. I feel like both companies are a little bit unisex, but it's kind of nice to have some scents that are like a little bit more like fruity and fun. They also have deodorant. So I'm like, oh yeah. These were $5.95. So $6.95, and I got four of them. The first one is actually looks like a collab with Rolling Stones. Because it says painted black cherry. These are natural body soaps, cruelty free, sustainably sourced, no parabens, phthalates, or sulfites. Okay, so this one is Rockstar Record of Cherry, Almond, and Sandalwood. It features pumice stone. And that's kind of how Dr. Squatch like rolls. They have different like features in their soap. This does feel like rough, so it's gonna be like a pumice stone. It smells so good though. It is like cherry almond. I'm gonna use this tonight. I'm gonna love this. I love this soap. So I was super excited. I was like, yay. Yeah, smells like it sounds. I like the little records on them. This is cute and retro. So, yeah, remember Dr. Squatch had the Harry Potter, they had like Batman, they had Star Wars. Okay, the next one is called Coconut Dreamin'. It's a toasty tune of coconut spice and citrus featuring coconut flakes. So this one, yeah, this one smells good. It's definitely a coconut. It's pure on coconut. But it has coconut flakes in there for a little bit of an exfoliating action. The next one is my favorite, I think. I don't know. The cherry's kind of my favorite, and the watermelon disco. It's a groovy mix of melons and agave nectar featuring poppy seeds. So, oh my gosh, I smelled this through the little hole here. Oh my gosh. It's watermelon. It smells so good. You can see little poppy seeds in there. Oh, this is like total fresh watermelon. Great for summer. I'm excited about this one. I don't know which one I'm more excited about, cherry or watermelon. So I'm liking that one. And then the final one I got is mango number 5, a little bit of fresh mango, white apricot, and peach featuring mango butter. So yeah, this one actually isn't bad. It's got something else in there other than mango. I feel like the white apricot is coming out a little bit. So it's not like plain mango, but it's good. My favorites though are definitely the cherry and the watermelon. Like these are superior. Absolutely wonderful. They have a lot of other ones. It's lemon, crash into mint, get figgy with it, sky blue Malibu, island in the sun, vanilla on vinyl, lavender fields forever, rose hips don't lie, born to be wild, and pink champagne. Now, based on the reviews, there's like 200 reviews on each of these. I'm thinking maybe these have been out for a while and I just had no clue, which is possible. So I don't know if they just arrived at Walmart recently, but there's like an end cap. I'm going to put it up as a picture, and you're going to see all of these subs. So again, I knew Dr. Squatch was at Walmart because I've seen the men's collection, but now we have a women's collection. I'm going to get the deodorant if I can find it. I'd like to try the deodorant out. I like trying new deodorant. So that's exciting. I'm like, new stuff, loving the cherry and the watermelon. Let me know if you've tried these. I'm really curious. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.